What are we making today?
Seafood à la triche, seafood à la crème, seafood à la triche. Yum, yum, yum.
Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Trish. And tonight we are going to make the most delicious fish dish you've ever done. Fish dish you've ever done in your life, or tasted in your life I should say. So it's the most simple thing to make. It takes like 10 minutes to prep. So you guys are in for a treat tonight. The famous, the recipe book. This is still a secret, but we're going to let you know tonight how to make seafood à la crème. Where is it hiding? Oh, seafood à la crème, where are they? Shh, don't show them all of the different recipes. It's not for now. Aha! And you might look at those lovely ingredients before we even start. So tonight we have bought ourselves a beautiful piece of fresh hake, skinned and deboned, the juice of 2 lemons. I just use this bottled juice because it's so much easier. On the recipe book, you'll see there's no garlic in there. I like it with a little bit of garlic. It just gives it extra flavor. Some salt. I'm gonna put some garlic pepper as well. It's also not on the recipe, but I just like the garlic pepper as well. It's nice. As you know from my previous videos, you might think I'm a little bit tarty because I have this on everything. I always have this lovely long life cream in my fridge because it only expires next year or something. The spa makes it, and it's so nice because you don't have to worry about going to the shop quickly to get some cream. So you've got it always. And this recipe takes about half an hour to 40 minutes to cook. If you've preheated the oven to 180, then it should do in about 40 minutes. Right, I think that I've got everything out there. Right, and now we put lovely cheddar cheese all over the top. You can use parmesan as the recipe says. And I'm just going to cover it with some tin foil to cook initially, and then right at the end you can just take the tin foil off and just let it get golden brown. See how easy this is, folks, and I'm telling you now, you will not believe how divine this is. Oh my word, I promise you, it's out of this world. And you're going to love it with any type of roll. You're going to dip the roll into the sauce. And then I'm going to make chips as well, because chips with the sauce is out of this world. Check it out in about 20 minutes or so, see how it's going. Folks, and I've got this lovely gadget here, which it makes it so easy to wash your lettuce. So yes, we'll take off the old crusty ones first. And then, yeah, should we make a whole salad? You might as well pull out the heart. And then you just pull the rest of the leaves open like that. And it can be washed. Oh, it is quite a bit. Oh, it's a bit of a bad one there. You can go out. Is that a worm? Don't tell me. No, it's just a bite. Somebody bit it. Somebody was hungry in the shop. So I'm just going to lift the leaves to get rid of all this, if there's any excess sand on there. Yo, this water is hot because it's hot here in South Africa. Goodness gracious. Yo, okay, that's that. Place the lid on top. And you're going to work those muscles now. There you go. Spin all the water off, spin all the water off. There we go, thank you very much. And stop. Perfect. Now, all I do is I pop that out of there. I'm just going to stick that in the fridge to go and crisp up a bit. Crispy lettuce, that's what we like.
If you have space.
Find some space, here we go. Go there. Oh, we might as well make the salad now, seeing we are here. Okie dokie. Cutting off the old crusty stuff and throw it away. There's nothing wrong with the thing. I'm not going to waste food. We don't believe in wasting food in this town, in this house. So I'll just pop that into the fridge. Thank you so much, my darling. Some crispy lettuce. Let's put that in there first. It's always nice to have a little green salad when you're having such a creamy meal. Lighten the palate a little bit.
This is our salad. This is Ryan's salad.
That can actually go on the table now. The meat has already started to cook. So now I'm taking off the foil and I'm going to let it bake for a bit. Okay, another 20 minutes or so. This oven's very slow. You guys probably could do yours in a 40-minute session. Mine takes a bit longer. I am planning to be able to buy a new oven if I get enough subscribers, and then we can see some real good cooking, baby. Gosh, that's absolutely looking delicious.
And you say you want to make chips.
Some more, put the lid on for a few seconds to get. Oh, those are going to be delicious. Wunderbar. Perfect. That's it. Yeah, some aromat. Yum, yum. Very naughty. South Africans like this aromat.
Seafood Ala Trish, seafood Ala Cremé, seafood Ala Trish, yum yum yum.
Meanwhile.
Wake up! The food's ready! Let's see. Oh. Because now we're going to make it like a soup because you want to dip your rolls in here. It's absolutely delicious, that sauce. The more sauce you have, the better, actually.
Very nice.
Love it. One of my mom's famous recipes, and yeah, I've got to give her kudos because like every time I make it for my friends, everyone goes ballistic and they tell me, please, 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 can't you make seafood Ala Cremé?
Seafood Ala Trish, seafood Ala Cremé, seafood Ala Trish, yum yum yum.
We love it, we love it. So there you go, I have to do it. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Please love, like, and subscribe, and make comments, and let me know how you feel about it once you've made it. Give me all of the news, I want to hear all about it. Thank you. Trishinator out.